Today we are going to see some balanced diet food recipes.
First, we will see how to prepare grilled chicken salad with avocado and quinoa recipe.
Preheat a grill and rub the chicken breast with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Grill the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes per side. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing it thinly. In a large mixing bowl, combine the mixed greens, cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. You can use 2 cups mixed greens like spinach, arugula, or kale. Toss gently to mix all the ingredients.
Arrange the sliced chicken on top of the salad. Add the sliced avocado to the salad. Now our delicious grilled chicken salad with avocado and quinoa is ready to serve. Next, we will see how to prepare vegetable stir-fry with tofu and brown rice recipe. Heat olive oil in a large pan, add tofu cubes and cook until golden and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, add sesame oil and garlic. Sauté for about 1 minute. Add the bell pepper, carrot, zucchini, and broccoli. Stir-fry for about 5 to 6 minutes until vegetables are tender crisp. Add the tofu back to the pan and pour in the soy sauce. Stir to combine and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Serve over a bed of cooked brown rice and sprinkle with sesame seeds, if desired. Now our vegetable stir-fry with tofu and brown rice recipe is ready to serve. Next, we are going to see how to prepare salmon avocado bowl recipe. Cook half cup quinoa or rice according to package instructions. Once done, set it aside to cool slightly. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the olive oil. Place the seasoned salmon fillet. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Take half cup ripe avocado sliced, half cup cucumber, sliced thinly, a 1/4 cup shredded carrots. In a bowl, start with a layer of cooked quinoa or rice. Add the cooked flake salmon on top. Arrange the sliced avocado, cucumber, and shredded carrots around the salmon. Drizzle with soy sauce and a little rice vinegar if desired for extra flavor. Next, we are going to see how to prepare egg and avocado toast with mixed berries recipe. Toast the slices of bread to your desired level of crispiness and keep aside. Prepare 2 scrambled eggs. Mash the avocado and gently spread on the bread slices. Place the mixed berries on the top of the toast for a fresh, fruity touch. Sprinkle some red pepper flakes and add fresh herbs like parsley or chives for extra flavor and color. Drizzle with a little olive oil if you'd like to add richness to the dish, and our egg and avocado toast with mixed berries is ready to serve.
Subscribe our food and fitness channel for more videos, like and share to your friends.